Okay, we're down on Sharman Ave, 219 Sharman Ave, and we are ready to hang the gutter for Mr. Fox and his condo association. And what we've done is change the angle a little bit to that pipe, which is going to help the water dripping around that red bracket across the fascia area that seems to be the problem. And what will happen now is it'll go down into the directly into the gutter. And this is the gutter we're ready to hang. Complete copper. Copper gutter in the south end, or back bay, whatever you'd like to call it. Alright, so this is the top side view of the inside of the brand new copper gutter. It's sealed in the back. You can see that we changed the configuration. We dropped it down so it rests on the roof. We changed the configuration to come straight down. So we're at the top phase of 219 Sharman Ave, Boston. Beautiful view, south end. And what we had to do was, see, we had to re-screw the front lip, especially across this edge here. It had lifted. All the way around the perimeter of the building. So this is what was going on the inside. We used rubber grommets on the outside with brass screws so that it wouldn't bleed. I'm definitely going to be curing at a different rate, but you can see that the wind was getting under the front side. Pretty good. What we did is we just split the difference. We went from each seam, one in the middle. Anything that appeared that it really was, a lot of it wasn't loose, a lot of it was, about 50%. We did them all anyway. So this will be fine. I'm sure everybody will just come up here and see it for themselves. Now this is the top side of the new copper gutter we just installed today. Very nicely done. And what we did was we dropped this pipe so that it sits on the roof, so that it'll take the weight off of it, and instead of directly bringing it over there, we're going to let it flow naturally, so everything will work fine now.